Hello everybody, Cold War Nerd here, back again with another video. Today I'm just going to be showing my HECU kit, because unexpectedly today, my M40 gas mask came in. I thought it was going to be coming on, like, the 8th, but instead it decided to show up today. So we're going to be doing the HECU kit a little bit early than I expected. So, just to start off, we have M81 Urban BDUs, so pants, OD green undershirt, because of course the HECU is actually a Marine Corps unit. Now, for anyone wondering, the HECU is from the video game Half-Life 1, and basically they're the Marine Corps Special Forces unit that gets sent to this research facility after a little problem happened, after like some incident happens. It's very convoluted. I assume you already know. If you don't, there's like a million videos of Half-Life 1. Half-Life's a pretty well-known franchise. So yeah. So we have just our M81 Urban top. I'm working on getting the name tapes and the insignia for it, but they don't seem to be wearing shoulder patches in the game, so I'm not going to put those on there. So, on the topic of boots, I do not have black leather combat boots yet, so I'm not wearing any boots right now. I'm not gonna show it for fucking obvious reasons. What are you, Jeffrey Epstein? But okay, now we have our full M81 Urban BDUs, pants, and jacket. So this HECU kit, unlike others, is gonna be pretty grounded in realism. I'm not gonna be using like black combat vests and like a bunch of stuff. We're just going to be using actual equipment. So for the body armor, we have our Pasget fragmentation vest, because again, I'm not going to buy like a $500 powered combat vest replica from some guy off of Etsy. So there we go. Now for our web gear, I was going to use the LBV, but instead we're going to use just some Alice gear. So, basic just Alice rifleman setup. So, let's throw that thing on. This kit is very bulky, because for some reason the urban woodland BDUs soak up a lot of heat. So I'm boiling right now, so I'm gonna try to get this over with as quick as possible. So for the setup, we have 2 magazine pouches, 2 canteens, butt pack, and an M7 and an M8A1 bayonet holder, which carries the M7 bayonet. So now let's get this thing clipped. I did extend it, so it should clip in. There we go. So there it is. Next, we are going to throw on these things. These are fingerless gloves that the Marines seem to be wearing in the game. So these are just some fingerless leather gloves that I managed to find on like Amazon for like $16, like I think it was closer to $9. So and hopefully by this year, I will have like a fan, like an industrial fan, to put into this room, because this fan that I have on my ceiling is not cutting it whatsoever. So in the game, the Marines are using M40 gas masks, but you can't see they're not wearing their bags. So I'm going to be wearing the mask, but I'm not going to be wearing the bag. So here's the mask. It'll get its own separate video, don't worry. It smells a little weird in this thing, but I'm going to put it on. I'm going to put my helmet setup on. Actually, wait, let's talk about the helmet before I put this on, because there's something I want to add to this. So this is the normal US Pazget helmet, woodland cover. We're going to take our NVG mount and we're going to attach the NVG mount to the thing. Just because this is a more late, this is a more like, this, I'm pretty sure Half-Life takes place in 1998. I know it takes place in 2003, but in my personal headcanon, I place its date, its like starting date at 2003. So that's what we're going to be doing here. In the actual canon, heat exhaustion is killing me. But in the actual canon, game's events take place in 2003. But in my personal headcanon, I personally think the game takes place in 1998, because that's when the game came out. So, there's the NVG mount on the cover. Now let's don the M40. The voice module on this is much better than the M17, so I'm going to be able to talk more, but... Okay. So now I have the M40 gas mask on. Now we're just going to don the helmet. Now we have our M16A2 rifle. This is airsoft, YouTube. It's not a real gun. Now we're just going to do our quick 360 turnaround. And then I'm going to get off all of this gear and we'll do our outro. Oh, God, it is hot in that thing. And, just let me get this off real quick, and then we'll continue. It is very hot. For those of you that do not know, I live in California, and it gets really hot, especially during summer. Hell, you can even see, like, the little, like, if you looked at my face, like, there, see, you can, like, see the sweat. It's bad. It gets really freaking hot. It gets really, really fucking hot. So, alright. That was all. Happy 4th of July to you guys. I know that was a few days ago, but I didn't have time to make a video. The Iraq war kit is coming soon. That's going to be a 1st Reconnaissance Battalion USMC kit, which, you know, generation kill anybody. So that's going to be what that is. It's going to feature the M40 and the mop suit, which is going to be fucking hell in this room. But, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, which is probably going to be the M40 review. So, my videos are I'm gonna hopefully start uploading frequently more. I do have a game plan, that I'm beginning to set up for, this year and next year. Next year is probably going to consist of this is what you're going to expect. You're going to expect an Iraq war kit. You're going to expect an Iraq war kit, a HECU kit, which I already did. Which, this is the HECU kit video, so that's already wiped off the list. So we have a Iraq kit. You're going to get a Grenada, Marine Corps, Grenada invasion kit. You're also going to get, a review video of the M40 gas mask. You're also going to get probably a couple other of gear and equipment reviews, maybe. And then probably some more stuff as I get more stuff, and because of course Christmas is 6 months from now. So then I'll get a lot of stuff, and then maybe I'll start making videos over that period of in December. But that's what you can expect for this time frame, from now until December, with maybe a few more added videos as the ideas come along. But next year, you can expect a Grenada Invasion U.S. Rangers kit, as well as potentially a Vietnam kit, because I am working on getting the jungle fatigues for the Ranger kit, but I might also do a Vietnam kit as well. I have also, thank God, I've been invited. I want to thank this fucking amazing guy on Discord. I'm pretty sure his name is LMAO. It's Lime. LMAO. It's Lime. Thank you, bro. This guy invited me into this super secretive, like, Cold War, late Cold War reenacting group on Discord. So that's hopefully going to supply me with enough ideas to get by for the rest of this and next year. So thank you. He also provided me reference images for that Ranger kit that I'm going to hopefully be doing eventually. So thank you, bro. I owe you something. I owe you one. Peace out, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.